The next 90 seconds could change your life. But frankly, it's up to you. Keep watching to find out. We all know that affiliate marketing works, right? Is there a better time to sell than Halloween and Black Friday? But do you believe it can work for you? I dare you to find out. First, here's the good news. You don't need to create any content. You don't need to have any products to sell. But let me be honest, this is not a walk in the park, nor is this a get-rich-quick scheme. This will require work, and it does take time. But what if I could find you a partner with over 25 years of online marketing experience? Wouldn't you want to know more? If he can show you how to work smarter, not just harder, wouldn't you want to know more? If he could share his done-for-you system to help you succeed with affiliate marketing, wouldn't you want to know more? Oh, and did I mention there's a $50 off special offer for those who move quickly? Can this change your life? You bet it can, but only if you take action today. At the end of the day, it really is up to you whether you succeed. I dare you to find out. Click on the link below now to find out more.